want the whole thing? Whoa! Guys, we have a huge Shein haul for you guys that we're going to do some unboxing. It's mainly for the kids. Trust and believe me. The only thing I got in it for myself is this hat that says Mama. Because you know, one thing a mom is going to have is a bad hair day. So
is this yours?
What the? No, that's not mine. Let me show them my hat. See? So whenever my hair is not done, I can just put this on. It's whitewashed. I thought it was black, like fully black like this. But it's not. So, but it can work still. So this is a set for rubbing. It's a gray and it's a gray set, so it has the top and it has the legging. And mommy, yes, Raven, yes. We got them in 3 different colors, right? So show me the colors.
Black and pink.
So this is the gray.
No, this is the black.
That's the black, and this is the top. They are so nice. It's for 7 years old. She's 6, so they will fit her because she has height. I love them. They're so nice, and the quality is not bad.
The only color in here what I love is like this.
You like the pink more? Yeah, because the pink is so cute.
It's cute. Cute
See?
for girls.
So 3 colors, 3 sets. So this is like so amazing, and this is not the Shein buy one get 2 free or something. These were all purchase. Okay, Shein? Yeah.
Alright, I think
this is for Raven. Yeah, this is for Raven. These are some nice little outfits that I got for her because she's in her toddler stage, and I like when they get to this stage when they actually are wearing matching fits that clothes apart from the pinanda and those things. I want her to have some nice fits. But let me know which one of all the things that we are showing are your favorite.
So this is my little dress.
That one is for you? Alright, so we got 2 dresses because we're going to be going church. We want to be going church more often. So I got the kids. I'm trying to see if we all can have, you know, matching outfit. Mommy and her 2 girls, you know, that's the vibe. That's goals. But I didn't find anything for myself, so I got the girls. You have to look for a side there, I mean, because, you know, not mine. So I got the girls the same outfit. Isn't this cute? So this is for Raven, of course, obviously. Robin cannot fit in it. Why are you fighting the bag? And then this is for Robin. Stand up, let me see. Put it on you. Yeah, sit there. Nice. Nice. And you have on your nice little black stocking and your little nice loafer shoes. And they look so cute on you. And then this for Raven. I'm going to try to see if I can find something that I can match this. But if you guys know of any website that has like mommy and me matching outfits, I would definitely love it. Or if you know how to find the link for those on Shein, then you can let me know in the comment section. It's not stretchy. It's like a corduroy type of material for these dresses. Love them real bad. I'm extra?
I'm just joking.
You're not leave me alone. I'm telling the people in the full details.
Here.
Oh, this is for Raven. This is another set for Raven. These, I'm trying out the Cozy Club from Shein because they know that's like a better quality material. And they did not lie.
One for
this is another set for Raven. And I try to get sets, guys, so they can look cute. So this is a little nice little sleeping set.
Raven is running out of clothes.
This is a dress that actually I'm going to find the image and put it on screen. Shein, where's the rest of my outfit? Where's the rest of the outfit, Shein? Because this came with a blouse on the inside, a white blouse. I don't see it. I can't find it anywhere. 2 items were missing. No. 2 items were missing from the package. So this, something is missing. But it's a nice little dress. I bought it so she could actually wear it to church, or if we're just going out in the evening or so and it's chilly, you know, she can wear it. Alright, so this is for Robin. This is another set for Robin. I think I got matching set for Robin and Raven in this one. So it's another sleep or loungewear, but more like sleep. This one they can sleep in.
This is for me.
So they have the bottom and the top for these.
I wonder where's the other one. for Raven.
Raven one is there, and these I think I was gonna get like matching pajama set. It's because of the scent, and this is why I said I'm gonna rinse them out. I was gonna get matching pajama set for them, but the color, because it's like red and white, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna keep this so they can wear this for the Christmas, because it's
it
a
look
set.
like a Christmas.
It look kind of wear for Christmas, right? Let me see if I find Raven.
Because Christmas is really like red and green.
A market for you guys. No, sir. A good. I mean, I tell you, this was like an excellent buy. I don't need to buy much for the kiddos. So this is for Ray Ray.
They look so cute,
right?
It look like.
But these are so cute. The material is nice. It's stretchy.
Look, it is.
It's so nice. So these they're going to be
I'm
dressed
gonna
in
see
these
if mine is.
For Christmas.
Mine
And
is
then
stretchy as
this
well.
is the other one
But Raven is stretchy.
for Ray Ray. Yeah, the Raven horn has a different material than yours in this set. Yeah, this one is a different material. Put them up there. All right, what else do we got?
Can I show them that back?
Yes. All right, so this, I think that's a set for Robin, for Raven.
Oh my gosh!
What is that?
Oh my gosh!
What is it? Oh, this is a oh my god, guys! Shein, and these weren't expensive. I think I saw. I don't. Me is clearance, girl. I'm gonna find the things that are 4 or 5, 6, and 7. Nothing expensive. This is so nice, good quality. You see the stretch? You see the stretch in this? Raven has a long time.
Raven is 4 months, and that's a big one.
No, this is a 9 to 12, and most of the outfits that I bought for her, she's 18 months, but you know she's on the tinier side, so I buy like 9 to 12
this
months.
is the one I want to show them. This can have a black seat first.
Yes, you can have a black suit.
Alright, so this is like an jumpsuit. Yep, jumpsuit. So this is a jumpsuit, and it came with a little jacket.
And the quality of this, so nice. It's like a blanket. It's for Robin.
Look, I'll put it on and show you. I'm not gonna put on the whole thing because
Kuya.
nowhere.
Raven, I'll turn over.
Raven, turn it in the box.
Here. She wants to get her clip. I bought clips for her. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Alright, so it does look like a little jacket.
Yeah. Yeah, because if you put it on, it's a jumpsuit. It's a jumpsuit. You better put on a jumpsuit.
I'm not gonna put on it.
And then this cover it. So these are like perfect outfits.
These
for
are
them
like for the park.
in this type of weather. Let's see what else we got. So we have some stuff from Cozy Club. Let me tell you, remember I said I would try out the Cozy Club to see the type of things that they have. So these are some more outfits for Raven. I like these. They're very soft, very soft, so nice and comfy. But I don't like the fact that the neck is so wide. Like it's not yet washed and the neck is so wide. That's the only thing I don't like about it, because I wish it was this. So I bought 2 sets, so 2 sets of this type. And the waist is so big, like, and this is what size 9 to 12. I have to keep them for a while, and by your queen summer come and she won't be able to wear it, but whatever. But here they are. The quality though is real nice.
Oh, this is
real
for
nice.
you, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
For
We're not getting into that. Raven, why are you putting on my stuff? Yes, and this is Cozy Club as well. So I bought 3 of them. This one is not bad. The neck of this one is not bad. It's not so wide. It's not so wide. So she can actually wear this. Because I don't want she wear the stuff then when she look like so them a drop off. Alright, so this is another set for Robin. So this is like a sleepwear, because you see the long sleeve when it's nice and cold, when the cold from liquid, then I go sleep in. So it's 2. So it's a pink, and then we have a brown. and both are long sleeve. I love these. The quality are really nice, really nice. And everything that I bought for Robin is 7 years. She's 6 going on 7, so about 7 years old. Love them.
Sometimes say 6 going on to 60. Yes, of course. Let me show you.
Go ahead. That's your turn. It's your turn. The floor is yours. Go ahead.
So this is for Raven. This is for like maybe in the night, maybe?
No, that's for going out. This is for going out.
Wait, this says the pretty girl.
The pretty girl,
I want this to be matching with me.
Look, I'm gonna see if I can find something for that to match with
for
you.
me?
No, this is for Raven. This is the only thing I bought for her that is 6 to 9 months, because I actually wanted to see what their sets are like in these sizes, 6 to 9 months. This will fit her perfect. This is so nice, so cute. I can't wait to put this onto her. I'm gonna see if I can find. So I bought this in one set, and I think I bought something else in one set, because you know sometimes you want to test out to see the quality of the item before you actually buy more than one. I wish I did that with the Cozy Club, because then I would have realized that the neck is really wide. No, you're going to put that down. And yeah.
It was just
No. We're doing for Shein, so we're not putting that in. But yeah, I love this. Love this. Love, 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 love. I don't know. Raven, don't burst that thing. I don't know. I wanted some.
That looks very, very nice.
I like them, but I don't like them because they're so big. It's 9 to 12, as I said, and they're so big. They don't have no shape or nothing.
Oh my God.
Especially because Raven is so tiny, but they're nice. If Raven was on the thicker side, but she will eventually have time to wear them, even if they get short. What I love is that I can get a nice little cream leggings. This one she can get maybe like a yellow leggings to wear with this one to bring it up a little bit, because by the time maybe it gets short. And this maybe a black one, maybe black or brown, because we have brown and black buttons. So this is what they look like. They're nice, but they're not really my favorite.
They're my favorite.
All right, go ahead with what you're showing.
So mommy buy this on Shein for the hair to spray. Look.
Yes, so that's for the hair.
And Raven like it.
I bought that to spray in their hair, and I also bought something to cut the rubber bands from the hair. That didn't come along with the white blouse that is supposed to be under the dress. So 2 things did not come. This is a pack of socks that can wear when she's going to church. So I got 2 shoes. This is my first time buying shoes for the kiddos. I only bought for Raven. I only bought for Raven, guys. These were purchased by her dad, okay? Her dad said buy stuff for him Pitney, so me buy things for him Pitney. Alright? So me no come and say, oh Ray, this all it. Me no. So anyways, these are for church. They are so nice. And I bought them bigger than her feet. Yes. I bought them bigger than her feet, but I cannot wait to dress her in these for church. I bought this to wear with one of the, I think the brown dress that I said
You don't like.
yeah. Oh, and this can actually, it can actually wear with this too.
You're putting down everything.
Yes,
Jesus.
you can wear with this. So she could
Mommy,
actually
that's
wear
not-
it with this.
That's not me.
I know. Or she could wear it with this. Which one? I think this one looks nicer with the black stocking, not sure. But anyways, yeah, so this is one pair for her.
Now I'm gonna show you Raven other shoes. This is like to go out or to the park or something. So we got these little cute shoes.
So cute, sneakers.
I was like, when I was putting on them, I was like, I need one to match with them.
Yes, I'm gonna search to see if I can find matching ones for Robin. Mommy got a set of sleepwear. I have
You're gonna be
remember I have
cold,
robe.
Mama.
Remember I have robe I can put on. So So this is for Mama. Mama, Mama. Mama, 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 Mama. I'm a mother, that my mother. Me love her, my mother. She love me, Mama, Mama. Anyways, so that's that. And then I got these. I don't know. I thought I should have maybe got extra small. But it's
That's
fine.
extra large.
It's fine.
Because they're like extra.
I bought 3, so it's a set of 3 for these. Let me see if I can try on one for you guys. I'm gonna try on one. I'm gonna give you a little try on. Maybe I should have put on the other color because the background is cream, but I love it, guys. Oh my god, it's so big. Why do I feel like something small? Look, see there? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's fine. It don't bad at all. I love it. I love it. And it has a little heart thingy right here. It's so cute. I'm going to put on another color. The black stand out because the background is different. Okay, girl.
No, guess what? Guess what? Black always matters.
Yeah, the black looks good. I told you that the black is kind of my favorite. The black is really nice. And this is so cozy. So cozy, guys. Lord. You know, this is a vibe. This is a vibe. This is the vibe. Because adult vibe, right? Because I had the big granny nightie that I was sleeping in at first. That I gave birth to Raven in. That's what I had. I've never actually owned a matching PJ. Yeah. Never have that. So I feel like an adult, as Robin said, adult vibe. Let me try on the other color for you. Oh my god, I did not waste my money. I didn't waste my money, guys. Oh my god, this is so cute, guys. Get into it. I don't have on any bra. So my body is not so big.
You're not even supposed
to
have bra.
If you are on the, have a little bit more weight to you, you can wear these because this is a small. This is fine. This is perfect. You don't want nothing to itch on to you. These are not the type that is supposed to be suck on to your body like
Perfecto.
that. These are like so perfect, so comfy, so cozy. If I have on bra, they will bring up my chest. This is what I love on it mostly. It has a nice little heart. It's like so cute.
And then they have the little pocket.
So I'm gonna try this one now. This. So I was saying that this top is big. What? Oh, you're like, I'm small. Oh.
It's the same thing.
Okay, guys, maybe I can bring this up a little bit. Because I was thinking that I was going to cut the strap and kind of attach it. But it's fine. I bet something. It's nice. This one is nice. And the bottom is not big. Because I thought it was big.
Comment down below which one you like.
Yeah, comment down below which one you like for me. I like this one. But it's so open. But I have my robe. So I can put on my robe. While I'm wearing with shoes. Robin wants me to show you guys my sandals. You must have seen it already in another vlog that I bought recently to wear inside the house. They are so comfy, but she's the one that wears them. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching our vlog. Bye. Tell them bye-bye. Say bye, Boogie.